2019 gold began the year at $1,296.50 an ounce. By February, the spot price of gold rose to $1,320.75 an ounce, and by the time business opened on January 3rd of the new year, gold had jumped to $1,550 an ounce. Recent geopolitical tensions between the U.S. and Iran are also lifting gold prices. Gold is traditionally seen as a safe haven in times of uncertainty like these. It's no wonder that gold is rocketing upward in price. The current unfolding situation has markets and consumers looking to hedge, and gold is clearly their preferred choice right now. The ramifications of these events are pushing gold prices even higher, which means now may be the perfect time to buy before prices go even higher. For more information about how gold could work for your portfolio, please call the number to receive your free gold information kit. This invaluable resource covers everything you need to know about owning gold and is only available from U.S. Money Reserve. So click on the link below or call the number on your screen right now to get your copy. And please give us your thoughts and share this video.